So basically you can see the shape I made. It looks like a little phone. Just something simple to show you how these parameters work. And I'm going to get rid of the text right now. Okay, parameters, we'll get rid of this text one. As you can see, we got length, width, height, and then this one I called fillet. Show you what I mean. So the whole edge is filleted, so we're just going to change that. We'll put 1 in there, hit enter. See how it changed it all the way around. Do that. You can change our thickness. Go 8. Change your width. 60. We'll make it wider. Changes it right away. Okay. Change it back. Now let's show you how to make one. It's super simple. We just hit the plus sign. We put a name in there. And do not use spaces because it won't accept it. I'll just call it text. But we could also say phone, like an underscore, and text. Okay. And we'll make that 8. Click OK. Okay. I'll get rid of that. Create a sketch right on here. I'm going to create some text. Just going to grab up there. Go all the way down to about the same thing right there. So we have simple sample text. We're just going to change it over. Right now, instead of putting a size here, we put our phone text. Just type a P. There's our phone text. Click on that and have everything set to center, left and right, and up and down. So let's click OK. Now let's move this guy over. We'll finish our sketch and let's see these parameters. Our phone text is 8. Let's go 14. See how it changes it? Super simple. Okay. Well, I hope that answers some of your questions. I hope you understand how the parameters work now, and I hope this was useful information. If you'd like to see any other videos of anything specific, Fusion 360, or anything other than that, let me know in the comments.